Page 7, Duet. 4/4 time, no sharps or flats. Let's talk about, we got some eighth notes though. Right hand first, you're starting third finger here, we're in G position. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. We got these eighth notes. I put an and in between the numbers. Other people have other methods of counting. I don't care what method you use as long as it's accurate. So I go 1 and 2 and. I just stick an and in there. And note that represents the eighth notes. So the third measure, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. But I'm lazy, so I don't use and all the time. I only use it when I need it. So otherwise, then I go back to the 1, 2, 3, 4 thingy. But those are the eighth notes. In the left hand, you have the same rhythm as the right, but you're playing different notes because you're down here. So you're in this position, and you're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3. So work out, make sure you got the notes in the left hand and try putting them together. Well, at least the rhythm's the same, but the notes are different, so watch out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And when you can get that out and get the hesitations worked out so the beat is steady, then go back and add the slurs. The slurs are the same in both hands, so you're lifting up both hands here. 3, 4, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Just lift up, like taking a breath, whatever. And then when you can do that, put in the dynamics. The first line is moderately soft. The second line is moderately loud. And it's both hands. Both hands have the melody. It's a duet. They're two playing together. Yeah. So they're both important. So play them the same. Moderately soft. Whatever you think moderately soft is, it's sort of soft. I don't know. But when you get second line, go up a little bit. So just play the second line louder than the first, I guess. But don't get too terribly loud. And then we go back and add the speed. Moderato's in the middle somewhere. Again, it's a range. It feels sort of, to me, a moderato is sort of like a walk where you know where you're headed. It's not a stroll. That's an andante. But a walk, it's more like it. But to me, that's a moderato. So when you can add all that together, eventually, it may take some time. 3, 4, 4. I like to play it with you very slowly to double check the notes and the rhythms. I'm not going to do any dynamics, just notes and rhythms. So we're going to go really slow here. So I'll give us 4 counts and let's try it. You see, if you have a teacher and you play a wrong note, the teacher will let you know. Or if your rhythm is wrong or something, they'll let you know, hopefully. But if you don't have a teacher, how do you know? So if you'll play along with me, if you're playing a different note than I am, something's wrong. And it tells you I got a wrong note here someplace, and you can go figure it out. 1, 2, ready, go. 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 1, 2.